Hi, in this video I will show you how to make an easy and simple DIY fly trap. I will use a fan, a switch, 6 UV LEDs and also a 9-volt battery. Let's start. So this is the 3D design. I will put a link below that you can also find my designs there. So you can easily change this from on shape. This is the base. I have 4 windows and 6 holes to attach my fan above it. And then I have another base under it so that I can remove it, and also if some flies or something dead, so I can remove them easily. I have a fan cover which I made it a little bit bigger to my design, so this looks a little bit different. And I have a mesh. This is important. In order to make the design better, you need to have a mesh that the flies can't fly outside, and you can also keep the air moving inside the part. And this is the assembly of it. And now the electrical design. As you can see, I have a battery, a switch, 6 LEDs, 3 in series and also 2 in parallel, and also I have a fan. I use UV LEDs which has 3 to 3.2 volts and 20 milliamps. So because I have 9-volt switch, I am not using a resistor because 3 LEDs means around 9 volts, and it will also protect my circuit and I don't need a resistor for it. And then finally my end product. As you can see, when I open my switch, the fan starts to turn. I have also UV LEDs open and you can see that too. In night and in a dark environment, the flies will come near these LEDs and the fan will suck into this. The mesh will provide that it won't fly outside, and by easily turning off the switch you can turn everything off. The battery is hidden inside. You can see through the blades that I have my 9-volt battery to make everything a little bit more compact. And here is my base.